All those please hold your position. All those please hold your position.
Because my dad played too much. Why? Because my dad and my brother would take off running and then wait for me to come around. My dad's like, hey, don't step on the guy. Remember the movie? Or walk away. It takes a long time to like adjust.
Transportation devices are ingenious pouches for safekeeping all earthly treasures when the journey becomes bumpy. And to keep you safe and sound, here are special belts attached into the seats. Simply pull it from the right, inserting it into the left, like so. You see the excellence of this invention? Your off-road journey is high-speed and turbulent, going over rough and rugged terrain, and then suddenly you are turning sharply and dropping suddenly. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you. Now, my friends, one final word of advice. Once you've entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous. Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders that await you, if you avoid the eyes of Mara.
December or January 7th Christmas.
Welcome, my friend.
Hello. Oh, my friend. The French may be needing a little adjustment, but easy on the curves.
You seek the future. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny. Your destiny now lies beyond the gates of doom. Get me out of here!
Not bad. Tourists. Stay out of trouble, will you?
Friends, I celebrate your arrival. If you'd like to watch from the fountain of youth, we will be happy to assist you with strollers. But please, stay seated until your transport comes to a complete stop.